Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change these little pull down things on the ceiling fan. It's a little bit high for my daughters here, so I'm going to add this 1 foot extension, which has it's a little designer one, kind of sort of matches, little rustic looking thing. So we're just going to take this off of here, like that. I don't know if you can see that very well. And just put this little loop, put that little loop right there. And it goes around the little ball in there. And you put the ball into the thing, and then you move it down. And you get these off kind of the same way. It's kind of hard to see. Not the best of angles. I can show you in a moment. So, unwrap the other one here. So when you take, so just put the other one up there, attach it to put the little ball inside the slot there, and then hook it up there. Okay, so that makes it hang down quite a bit more, where it's easily accessible. And I was showing you how these attach really simply. The ball just goes inside that little part right there, and then you just pull it up and it goes flush. So that's how to lengthen these pull down cords. If you're got a high ceiling or something like that, you can get them up to like 12 feet or something crazy. So hope that helps you lengthen those cords. Pull the switches on your ceiling fan there. Have a great day, everyone. Oh, and by the way, those are called what are they called? Pull chain 12-inch bead. Okay. So, and you find those at the hardware store by the ceiling fans, actually, in that area. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope they helped. Okay, bye.